Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Summer, and if you clicked on today's video, then you're probably trying to figure out how I got these bomb at-home acrylic nails. So if you're like me, then you love to treat yourself, go get your nails done, and you also like long nails. I'm such an acrylic person. I love having long nails, especially coffin nails. So I used to always go and get my nails done, and then you know what, it just started adding up, as you can imagine, and I was like, there has to be some alternative to getting my nails done and spending a ton of money all the time, every 3 weeks, having nails break on me. It was just not worth it. It just seemed like it wasn't worth it, and there was other alternatives. So I went to my local CVS and I was browsing through. I was actually gonna get stuff to do at-home gel nails, and then I came across these bomb at-home acrylic nails, and I tried them for the first time a couple weeks ago, and I've been hooked ever since. They are heaven sent. They're so affordable. They work. They last longer than what it says on the package, and they're just a hidden gem and a hidden secret. So I can't wait to tell you guys more about these nails. If you do enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, if you enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you want to make sure you protect your surface. I'm just going in with a placemat. A placemat or a towel would be great for this. I'm also grabbing a paper towel just to have on hand. The first thing you're going to need is acetone and a cotton ball. This is just to clean our nail beds before we get started. So today I'm going to be going in with the Kiss nails. These are the Masterpiece one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani nails. It comes with 30 nails, including 12 accent nails. You can find it at your local CVS for about $12 or $13 or on Amazon. So I'll make sure I link them down below. I'm also going to show you guys these other Kiss nails. Obviously, I've used them before, so ignore how they're falling like that. I love these just because French tip never goes out of style. They're classy and they go with absolutely everything. So these are also a great pick. I'll link them down below. So the first step that we are going to do is just wet our cotton ball with that acetone. And like I said, just clean off our nail bed. This is just going to get off any excess dirt that's on our nails and just clean the surface before we put on our fake nails. Go ahead and take your nails out of the box. As you can see, it does come with its own mini glue, but I'm going to actually show you guys a different nail glue that I like. I haven't used any of the mini glues that come in the packaging because I already found one that I love and that works. So I'll show you guys that in a sec. But if you do remove the top layer of plastic, you'll see below all the extra nails that come in the packaging. This is the nail glue that I highly recommend, and it's the only one that I've ever used. This is also by Kiss. It's the Maximum Speed Nail Glue, and I believe it's only about $5. I'll try to find a link for it and put it down below as well. I like to start out by measuring my nail beds with all of the nails that come in the packaging. Usually your thumb and your pinky are the easiest ones to find because obviously they differ the most in size from your other nails, whereas your ring finger, your middle finger, and your index finger can oftentimes be a lot similar in size. So you just want to measure a couple times and see which ones they fit the best. Obviously they'll fit certain ones slightly better than they'll fit other ones. So here you can see, if it focuses, that I found a perfect match for my pinky. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down in front of my pinky. And as you can see, I've already found a perfect match for my ring finger and my middle finger. I like to just set them right in front so I can see which ones are going to go where, and then I can find additional sets for when I want to do my nails again. So here's a great example of a thumb that fits perfect. Obviously your thumb is a lot bigger than your other nails, so you're gonna know right away which ones fit your thumb. And if they don't fit your thumb, they probably are gonna be extras that don't fit any of your fingers. So at the end, you'll see I had a few that just weren't matches for any of my nails. And that's oftentimes gonna happen, and that's okay. Just dump those ones out. So I'm just gonna speed through here because you guys get the picture. I'm just measuring. So here's an example of an obvious one that does not fit my thumb. And that is because you can obviously still see part of the nail. You want to make sure that your nail is covering your entire real nail, but is also not overlapping over your skin. So you'll know a technique I like to use, which you'll see when I'm actually putting on the nail, is I like to slide the fake nail onto my nail. And if it fits perfectly between your nail beds, then obviously that means it's a good fit. But if you can still see part of your real nail, or if it's overlapping your skin, then it's obviously not a good fit. So here's a bird's eye view for you guys of my nails. I've set them out. I have 2 perfect rows I found that fit all of my nails. And then the very top row, you can see I have 2 extra nails for my ring finger for my middle finger and for my pointer finger. So today I'm going to go in with the bottom row. Those are the ones we're going to be using. And then obviously next time I want to do my nails, I'll already have an extra row. On the side, here are the extra nails that I mentioned, the ones that just didn't fit any of my nails. I'm just going to go ahead and toss those because we will not be needing them. So I went ahead and did my right hand off camera. I usually like to put my nails on my hand that I write with, just because it's usually easier for me to work with the glue while I have the nails on my dominant hand. I don't know if that makes sense, but obviously do it whatever you're comfortable with. This is just more comfortable with me. Since I'm not left-handed, it would be harder for me to put on the fake nails on my right hand if I already have the nails on my left hand. So let's get started. So what I like to do is I like to put a thin layer of the glue on the bottom half of the fake nail. You don't want to do it too thick because it will bleed out onto your skin, and this stuff is strong. Trust me, I've gotten my fingers stuck to it before and it's not fun. And then I just like to focus the glue on the middle part of the nail. Don't get too close to your nail beds because like I said, it'll push out. Similar to when you're using glue for an arts and crafts project, you never want to put the glue too close to the edge because when you press down, the glue will obviously bleed out and you never want it to show. So here's my pinky, and I'm just going to go ahead and press down for about 10 seconds. The box says you only need to press down for 5, but I just like to be safe and make sure these bad boys are going to last. So 10 seconds it is, and as you can see, this is a perfect fit for my pinky. So I'm just going to repeat this step for all 4 of my nails. A thin layer on the bottom half of my nail. And then a thin layer on my actual nail, not too close to the nail bed. This stuff does dry pretty quickly, so you want to make sure that you're working fast. A technique that I also like to use is to kind of start at the top and then slide it into the bottom half of my nail. I didn't do it so much here, but you'll see further on down the line. Also, I kind of like to move my hand around when I'm pressing down just to make sure the glue is spreading out nice and even. Here's a good example of how I slide the nail in. As you could see, I just start right at the top and then I push it all the way down. I just find that this helps the nails stick a lot better, and it just helps with evenly spreading out the glue. So far, so good. Another huge tip, you guys, is I always do these nails right before I'm gonna go to bed, literally down to the minute before. I make sure I have everything else done. I've washed my face, I've brushed my teeth, I've gotten my pajamas on. Literally, I make sure everything else is done before because I like to let the nails dry overnight. Obviously, that's how you're gonna get the best results. And as you can see here, I just had a little bit of extra glue. So that's when the paper towel comes in handy. Just go ahead and wipe off that excess glue. And voila, we are all done. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed yourself. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will definitely get back to you and answer. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!